Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we're looking at a set of fully trimmed front seats for the Jaguar X300 model. Now this is actually for a customer of ours who's doing a Jaguar Mark 2 restoration, but he was keen to update the front seats to offer him a bit more support. Now, as I'm sure you're aware, the Jaguar XJ40 is often a commonly used upgrade seat for the Jaguar Mark 2, and that's what we've done in the past for people, so we can offer that if you prefer. But this customer was initially going to go down that route, but actually found some X300 seats, which are a bit more modern than the XJ40. They've got sort of electric elements to them, recliners and whatnot. And he did a bit of research and worked out that he could get them to fit into the car with a couple of other basic mods to it all. So he's gone down that route. So he's actually sent us his seats and we've completely redone them for him. So obviously we've replaced all the seat covers, we've padded out where needed, and then trimmed them up. However, we've done it with a bit of a nice upgrade element to it, in the fact that the X300 seats weren't that sort of design in terms of the pleats, but because Mark 2s had pleats like that, we've kind of semi-incorporated a Mark II style design onto the pleated panels, both for the cushions and the backrest. So little touches like that we like to do with restorations like this, where we know that you're changing something, you're switching something out for what was original, but we try and make sure that things tie in nicely to keep it sort of period and era correct, and obviously it will then tie in with the rear seats as well. So it's these nice little touches that we're well renowned for. This specific kit has been done in Magnolia, which is effectively a cream colour, and it's been done in our grained leather. Just trying to give you a bit of perspective. It's not showing up on the camera quite as cream-like as it actually is in reality, so just bear that in mind. Yeah, zoom out there, it comes out a little bit more, but it's effectively a cream leather and it's grained. We can also offer smooth. We've done it to effectively the OEM spec of Mark II. So the majority of the seat is leather, but it has got an element of vinyl on it with these back panels here. But I think that's pretty much the only bit we did in vinyl. Even these side bits here are leather. Even the pockets here, which is elasticated, is leather. Down to the sort of switch element here on the side as well has been done in leather, as have the headrests. Obviously the headrests are completely unique. Their Mark IIs did not have headrests, so we've kept that the same design effectively as the X300 style of things. Piping is obviously Leathercloth vinide as per original spec, which is what we always do where colours allow. The majority of the colours we can get in Leathercloth, some we can only get in vinyl, therefore have to revert to vinyl for those. But as a general rule of thumb, we always use Leathercloth. Please do see our other YouTube video and blog handbook post on why you should be using Leathercloth for piping and not vinyl. A lot of other suppliers out there do use vinyl as a cost-saving exercise, so bear that in mind. But yeah, so that's effectively the seats. Like I say, we've done pleats on them to keep it roughly in line with Mark II, both on the cushions and the backrest. We've done a couple of other small tweaks in terms of how these side bolsters and this surround happen compared to the X300. But effectively, they are X300 donor seats going into a Mark II. Really nice job on those. They look absolutely stunning. So I'm looking forward to seeing these in the car when everything's fitted. But it's just a bit of an indication on what we can offer for all sorts of different restorations. Obviously, day in, day out, we're doing just normal Mark II. But for anyone that's looking to make subtle changes like this, always talk to us. We may not be able to accommodate, but we do our best to accommodate. And X300 is a nice little, more of a luxurious modern day seat compared to the Mark II. But keep in mind as well, obviously we do the XJ40 versions, which is a much more commonly seen upgrade package to the Mark II. Anyway, I think I've covered my bases there. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.